Why switch to ActiveCampaign? There are two main reasons. You may well want to have really powerful features that are not available to you from the lower priced products, or you may well be using an expensive product which has these features and want to save some money. For me, it was very much a case of I had some particular needs and requirements that I wanted to do some sales automation, and those were going to be horrendously expensive with other products, or technically they were fudges and real kind of workarounds to use with other systems like Aweber and MailChimp. Not that it's not possible to do some of the things that you can do within ActiveCampaign, it's just very much easier, and while I can program, I'd much rather use drag and drop features than open a code editor. So the main features that I particularly wanted were some marketing automation. As you can see on the little demonstration here, you can see the automation builder. It's very much a drag and drop arrangement where you can do all kinds of really clever things. So you can, for example, create a welcome sequence that goes to anyone who joins any of your lists. Or you could create an unsubscribe sequence which tries to win them back on side, something that's quite difficult to do with other systems. Or you could create a VIP campaign that works out that somebody has visited your sites lots, opened your emails, clicked on your links, and creates a special list for VIPs and mails them automatically and tells them about it. Or you might want to interact with other members of staff and pause an automation while somebody does something manually, such as giving them a phone call or popping something in the post, and then restart the automation once that's done. So there are lots of things particularly within the automations, which is the reason that I wanted to use it. And the power is also hidden in things like the tagging, as well as its ability to integrate with your website and know what your subscribers are doing on your website. So all this for the same kind of price as I was paying really with Aweber and with using the other tools that I had to add on to Aweber to get it to do the same kind of things. So hopefully that's given you a bit of an idea of why I switched over and some of the things you might want to look at. It's certainly worth looking at the marketing automation steps on the features on the website if you haven't already done so, and just having a good look at some of these nice little animated GIFs about what you can do and how you can do it, and that'll hopefully inspire you to switch over as well.